Today I want to go over a very basic exercise starting on middle C with the right hand. And just let's review our finger numbers. This is our thumb, or 1. Our index finger is 2. Our middle finger is 3. Our ring finger is 4. And our little pinky finger is 5. That's with the right hand. With the left hand, our thumb is also 1. Our pointer finger is 2. Our middle finger is 3. Our ring finger is 4. And our little pinky finger is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will be referring to these fingers number by number. Okay, so you need to know what your finger numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, what we're going to do today is a 5-finger pattern. Now, this is for a major key, and it follows a certain sequence of steps. Okay? That sequence of steps is whole, whole, half, whole. Whole, whole, half, whole. Now, what does Santa say? Santa says, oh, oh, oh. Right? That's what Santa says. Oh, oh, oh. Now, we play whole, whole, half, whole. Whole, whole, half, whole. Get that memorized. So, what is a whole step? First, what is a half step? A half step is when we move from one key to the very next key. That's a half step. I am going up the piano in half steps. That's also what we call chromatic. We're going up to the very next key. And you can do this too. It's kind of fun. Okay. Now, what's a whole step? A whole, 2 halves make a whole. So if I go up 2 half steps, I have gone up a whole step. Let's go back to C. I skip C sharp, and I go to D. So C to D is a whole step. There's D. It's going past D sharp and to E. Another whole step. Past F and to F sharp. You can go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or so on to get the feel of what a whole step is. 2 halves, remember, make a whole. So how does this affect our pattern? Well, we're starting on C with our right hand 1 finger and going up a whole step to D. Another whole step to E. Then the very next key, making that a half step, and then a whole step to G. Start, whole, whole, half, whole. And these are the first 5 notes of your C major scale, aren't they? That's our do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do for C major. But we're just doing the first 5. And some teachers will call this also a penta scale, because penta means 5. But I'm going to just call it a 5-finger pattern. Okay? And this is a major, again, a major 5-finger pattern. Here is your exercise. You're going to play your 5-finger pattern up and down 3 times. 5-finger pattern. Let's get that word on there too. 5-finger pattern 3 times. Okay, here we go. Hands together. Right hand is on middle C. Left hand, the bottom finger or the 5th finger is on the C below middle C. And here's our exercise. Here we go. Our second part of our exercise, and that's the triad. Triad. Tri means 3. Well, that's pretty easy, like a triangle or a tricycle. Okay, so it's 3 notes. It's the 1st, 3rd, and 5th notes. So here's our C 5-finger pattern. This is the first note is C. The third note is E. The fifth note is G. Here's our exercise. We're going to do our triad. First broken, which means separated. Something's broken, it's apart, right? So it's first separated, broken, and then blocked, which means all together. So we're going to play those 3 notes at the same time. Here we go. Broken, blocked. All right, our third part of this beginning exercise is our arpeggio. An arpeggio is a triad that is broken. And usually it goes on for a few octaves. We're just going to do a very simple arpeggio. And this one is called a cross hand arpeggio because we're actually going to cross our hands. It's kind of fun to do, especially as a beginner. Hey, I can play. Look at me cross my hands. Okay, so here we go. This is how you do it. Start with your left hand. C, E, G. Right hand, C, E, G. I find C up there on the top, but I don't put my 5th finger on it. I put my 2nd finger on it. I cross over. I keep a nice cup shape in my hand, no pointy notes like this. Don't point to hit it. Just keep your hand nice and relaxed. Cross over your right hand and play C with your left hand. Now come back down. Now go back up. Now come back down. Now go back up. And then come back down. You can think of an arpeggio, which I tell my younger students, as going up the mountain to the peak. Now back down the mountain. Go back up the mountain to the peak and then back down the mountain. Up the mountain and back down the mountain. Okay, those are the 3 parts of your exercise I want you to do. And this is for the C major 5-finger pattern. Okay, our very first exercise. Good luck!